jumpa. Hai. Jadi ceria banget ya.
What? Are you focusing on me?
Iya. Sombong, Daddy sombong. Hai Daddy.
Hai, selamat jumpa.
Hai Alistair. Nah, hari ini kita lagi mau melihat ulang tahunnya Australia. Kita lagi mau jalan, ternyata ada thunder, ada hujan badai. Jadi tadi pagi itu tadi aku ngecek jam 9 pagi itu udah 31 derajat. Padahal itu masih jam 9 pagi, jam 8 pagi udah panas kayak gitu. Terus panas pas kita lihat ternyata jam 2 itu bakalan hujan. Ternyata pas jam 2 kita mau jalan jam 3, udah tadi nungguin hujan gitu. Ternyata hujannya itu jam 4. Jadi ada dari panas tiba-tiba mendung gelap. Pas mendung gelap tuh dia di sini. Pas mendung gelap tiba-tiba tahu nggak? Hujan deras sederes-deresnya acan. Pas udah hujan deras tiba-tiba aku pas lagi siap-siap, kok ada klutuk, ternyata hujan es alias hail. Ya akhirnya ada sedikit es tuh, lihat hujan es. Ya hujan es lagi. Loncat-loncatan. Lihat tuh. Look Alistair. Look. It's ice. You see it?
Where did all your ice go?
See it? Ice. You want ice?
No.
Look. Ice. Itu habis hujan hail, terus kita nungguin hujan lah baru berangkat. Pas kita mau berangkat, ternyata kereta itu di depan rumah tuh nggak ada yang jalan karena seluruh di Circle K biasa kalau lagi perayaan gini di city, di area Opera House itu pasti bakalan banyak ditutup jalan. Terus kita mikir mau bawa mobil pun kayaknya males ya, selain parkirnya tuh susah, terus mahal, terus bakalan rebutan atau apalah, dan kita belum tahu juga kan kesana sampai jam berapanya. Ya udah, akhirnya kita sekarang lagi nunggu macet kereta. Jadi kereta pas kita ngecek tadi ternyata seluruh rel tren itu semua karena tadi ada thunder, ada hujan badai atau apalah itu, jadi semua sistem pada mati lah, pada acak-acakan. Jadi kereta seluruhnya pas kita ngecek di Google Map, cek di jadwal, ternyata semua kereta pada jadi ini kita udah di kereta udah setengah jam lebih, untuk sepi jadi aku bisa nge-vlog, gak malu. Jadi kita terjebak di sini. Aduh, mama langsung hitam deh kalau ada Alistair mah. Look. Aduh mama. Aduh, this boy sorry naughty. Wow. Where are we going?
We're going up.
No.
Going.
Ini dia nih, mamanya nggak bisa pakai baju seksi karena digrepek-grepek. Nah lihat guys, sudah pada ditutup semua jalanan. Iya, happy banget. Tuh lihat jalanan udah pada ditutup semuanya. Look, you can see it. Look. Okay. Biasa. Jadi dicek semuanya tuh. Jadi mau masuk Circular Quay hari ini dicek semuanya dan nggak boleh bawa alkohol. Tuh pada dicek. Tuh jadi kita semua Circular Quay ditutup, semua security di mana-mana. Yuk, tadi kita lama di pengecekan security di sana. And sekarang kita masuk.
my own, singing alone, dancing in the middle. Guess it's my jungle, and I'm wondering again, why this dream in my brain, in this happy city, happy city, happy city, happy city. And I'm wondering again, why this dream in my brain, in this happy city, happy city. Well, that was just me.
Make some noise if you call New South Wales home. Welcome. Make some noise wherever you are if you call Victoria home. Yes, people sitting over there, nice. Western Australia. Fantastic. Thank you for travelling over to Queensland. Nice. Yes, indeed.
We've also on board the boat, so feel free to give them some love as well. That includes New South Wales Australian Youth Surgeon and Human Rights Advocate, Professor Munjin Almuderis. Senior Australian to make quite a lot of noise too. It has a 17-metre telescopic mast capable of shooting water up as far as the Harbour Bridge roadway, and that's softwater. It also has an emergency, it's also an emergency tug, which has towing ability and is frequently used to push ships alongside in bad weather. With a crew of 4 and in a state of readiness 24/7, 365 days a year. On screen we can see it is a highly versatile fast ferry, high speed, long and very fuel efficient with outdoor and indoor ferry seating. Nancy Weekly is a great addition.
Wow, look at that lizard.
Thanks, Dad. I'll make your way through.
Wow, look at that. Woo-hoo.
Show starts okay, we see on the big screen a 1-minute countdown, and it's
Wow, there is water there. Wow.
echoed throughout Circular Quay.
Wow, look at that lizard. Wow.
A fantastic opening number. And then John
Yay.
we'll introduce our hosts and say hello to Jeremy and Christine and so on and so on and so forth. And then
Wow,
and he
so
said
really
something
cool.
like, what a great night we have live here
Wow.
at the House. That's when we want the whole space, not just here, but the whole space throughout Circular Quay to make as much noise as you can.
Totally
And keep it
big,
going
look.
while we see on the screens who the awesome acts are that are entertaining you tonight.
Everything. It's a part of our culture and it is Australia Day that we take very, very seriously. And coming up soon we also have the flying jet ski. Now this is an incredible piece of equipment. This is provided
Story which takes us to the beautiful one-horse town of Putani in Western Australia.
Many years ago, I fell in love with this hotel when I was travelling through. I thought,
Oh my God.
and here I am, I own it. How's your beer going, Tim? You're right.
Oh, ini dia yang jet ski
Well,
tadi.
Putani is a very small house. Most of us haven't got anybody next door to us. I haven't got anybody
Jadi yang
either
mau bener.
side.
Oh, ini dia nanti yang bakal firework.
The whole street.
Jadi mereka-mereka inilah yang bakal jadi pahlawannya hari ini. Lihat di boat mereka, mereka pada bawa firework di belakangnya. Tuh, nanti mereka lah yang bakal
He's watching all
nyalain kembang api sambil muter-muter.
in the window there. In this will come. He's away, rubs his face all over. And at the moment, oh, I thought that was the night
Woo, there is a lady. Look. tim mereka lah.
My boss was really my family.
She come to me, she is very, very young girl. She was 13. I keep her like my daughter.
John Foreman, John Williamson, Kari, Kumari Aboriginal Dancers, the Original Seekers, Sydney Symphony Orchestra, Vanessa Amorosi, William Barton, Zipporah Horsa Andrew, and the recently crowned Australian of the Year. Live.
Nah, ini dia adalah suku aborigin, guys. Ini adalah penduduk aslinya Australia. Nah, beliau ini penduduk aslinya Australia.
Sitting on my own, singing alone, dancing in the middle. Guess it's my jungle, jungle. And I'm wondering again, what is dream in my brain? In this happy city, happy city.